Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Focus. It's the ST line. A lovely condition. Got the full black pack ST body styling kit. As you can see, it's got the gloss black alloy wheels, all in lovely condition. The bodywork and the mileage. It's privacy glass there. As I was just saying, sorry. Bodywork and the way it drives is no reflection of the mileage. It's been well looked after. This has. And a recent clutch as well. Good service history. Look at that. It's not really much I can point out to you really. It is in absolutely lovely condition. Boot area is lovely. Even the rear parcel shelf fits properly, because these usually don't in these Focuses. Interior is the ST line with the red stitched in. As you can see, some carpet mats in there in the back as well. Electric windows. No wear on the seat or anything like that. Carpet mats to the front as well. 6-speed gearbox. That's just no wear on it. Just start it up. It's 112,037 miles. Really is in great condition. Could pass for half the mileage you're looking at it. So it's got Bluetooth connectivity. DAB, USB for connection for your music. It's just down there. DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.